welcome to our video on conditional probability part 2 using tree diagrams. The example I have here is example 3, follows on from part 1 of this video. In a particular school, 55% of the students are male and 45% are female. Of the male students, 13% say mathematics is their favourite subject, while of the female students, 18% prefer mathematics. Find the probability that a student selected is female and does not prefer mathematics. So you could use the multiplication rule and the conditional probability rules that we found in video 1, or you could also draw a tree diagram to help you find this information. So for this example, I'm going to use a tree diagram. First step we need to do is define our events. So let's say M is male, F is female, P is prefers maths, and P dash will be doesn't. Prefer maths. Okay, I'm going to start with male and female for our first tree. You could start with prefers or doesn't prefers. Doesn't matter which order you do it in. The probability of a student being a male is 0.55 from the question. So I'll put that in. And the probability of being female is 0.45, which they didn't have to tell us in the question because it would have been 1 minus 0.55. And when you're a male, you either prefer or don't prefer maths. So this would be prefer given they are a male, don't prefer given they are a male, prefer given female, prefer, don't prefer given female. Okay, from the question, of the male students, 13% say maths is their favourite subject, so they prefer it. Of the male, to prefer, so that's 0.13. Put that in red. And so the other males that don't prefer it will be 0.87. These two need to add up to 1. And the females, 18% prefer. So this is 0.18, and 1 minus 0.18 is 0.82. Okay, in the question we're trying to look for the probability that a student is selected and does not prefer mathematics. The and there suggests it's an intercept question. So we are looking for the probability of female intercept P dash. So it does not prefer maths. So this equals the probability of P dash given F times the probability of F. This is straight from our multiplication rule, which is P dash given F is this one here, 0.82 times the probability of F, which is this one, 0.445. Put that in the calculator and you get 0.3690. So when we're working with these probabilities, it's usual to leave your answer to 4 decimal places, unless the question says something different. So our default for probabilities is 4 decimal places. Part B, the probability that a student is male given they prefer maths. So we're looking for the probability that they are male given they prefer maths. Probability male given they prefer maths. We can't use the probability they prefer maths given they are male because these two would be different. So we need to use our conditional probability rule that says probability of A given B is going to be probability of A intercept B over the probability of B. Now, we don't have the probability of P. We have the probability of P given F and P given M, but we don't have the probability of any student just preferring maths. So we need to work that out quickly. Probability of prefer will be this one, 0.13, which is the males that prefer, plus the females' probability that prefer. Probability of P given M plus probability of P given female, which is 0.13 plus 0.18 equals 0.31. Probability of M intercept P is going to be one of these, M intercept P. It'll be this one here. Probability of P intercept M will equal 0.55 times 0.13, which is 0.0715. P intercept M is the same as M intercept P, so it's 0.0715 over the probability of P over here equals 2306. Thanks for watching the video today.